Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best home wall art is probably one of the most transformative elements for any living space. It's amazing how a carefully chosen piece can instantly elevate a room's aesthetic, reflecting your personality and setting the tone for your home. But with so many options available, from abstract prints to scenic landscapes, how do you find the perfect art to complement your style and budget? Let's dive in and explore some fantastic choices. Number 5. Rustic mason jar sconces with LED lights. These beautifully crafted sconces add a warm and chic touch to your decor. The bright LED lights bring holiday cheer to you and your family. At night, you can enjoy the soothing lights and graceful white peonies. Hang these mason jar sconces in your home, hallway, kitchen, or bedroom. The string lights emit a magical, warm glow. This rustic wall decor will surely capture your attention. This farmhouse-style wall sconce is perfect for various occasions. It's a great gift for Valentine's Day, weddings, or Christmas. You can use it in your living room, bathroom, kitchen, or garden. The mason jar lights have a 6-hour timer and remote control function. It will automatically turn on and off every day. There are 8 different lighting modes to suit your mood. This is a nice household decoration and a perfect gift for your friends and loved ones. It's suitable for living rooms, bedrooms, dorm rooms, cafes, and bars. What we like? This rustic wall sconce offers a warm, inviting glow with its LED fairy lights, perfect for creating a cozy atmosphere. The remote control feature allows you to easily adjust the lighting modes and timer. If you are looking to add a touch of farmhouse charm and convenience to your home, it's a great choice. What people say? They are beautiful and super easy to install. Been using it for over 2 years now. Adds a great look to walls. Durable and long-lasting. Awesome addition to our Christmas decor and just what I was looking for to surround the front door of the house. The color is exactly as described and the fit was perfect for the space. Everything was extremely easy to assemble and mount on the wall. Number 4. Funny black cat wall art. Are you pooping? Looking for a fun addition to your bathroom? This wall art features a quirky design with black cats and the phrase "Are you pooping?" It's perfect for adding a touch of humor to any space. Made from high-quality metal, this poster is built to last. Its sturdy construction ensures it can withstand daily use, making it a long-lasting decorative piece for your home. This art piece isn't just for the bathroom, it's suitable for any room in your home or apartment. Its vintage and gothic style fits well with various decor themes, adding a unique touch. Hanging this art is a breeze, thanks to the pre-drilled holes. Simply use nails or hooks to put it up on your wall. Enjoy your new, unique wall art in no time. Searching for a great gift? This wall art is ideal for cat lovers and those who appreciate humor. It's a fun and practical way to express personality and add a quirky touch to any home. What we like? This funny black cat wall art features a humorous design that's sure to bring a smile to your face. Made from durable metal, it's built to last and easy to hang. If you like a bit of quirky humor in your bathroom or living space, it's the perfect addition. What people say? It does have a vintage look and 4 small holes in the corners for hanging. The sign is exactly as the photo. Design and graphics are on point. Number 3. ALKB Tuxedo Cat Funny Metal Bathroom Sign. This bathroom sign is made from rust-free aluminum. The bright colors of it won't fade over time, making it perfect for any bathroom. With pre-drilled holes, it's easy to hang this sign. It's designed to withstand both indoor and outdoor conditions, so you can put it wherever you want. Surprise your friends and family with this funny sign. It's great for decorating homes, offices, and yards, bringing joy to everyone who sees it. This cat wall art measures approximately 8 by 12 inches. It's durable and sturdy, making for a fun and attractive decoration. The color of the print may vary slightly from what you see on your screen. However, we strive to provide an accurate representation of the product. What we like? This metal sign is durable and weather-resistant, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. It's easy to hang with pre-drilled holes. If you are looking for a fun and durable decoration for your home or a unique gift, it's a great choice. What people say? Cute sign and good quality. Super cool. sturdy and guaranteed to get a chuckle from human and kitty alike. Quality sign, picture and sayings fit for any cat. Excellent conversation item. Very impressive. Recommend for any occasion gift for cat lovers. Number 2. Eucalyptus wall decor with wooden stick. This wall decor has a unique design, with wood beads, chips, and fringe for a natural, earthy vibe. It also comes with 2 butterfly decorations. You can clip them on the wood stick or strand. The branch is about 16 inches long, and the eucalyptus stems are about 12 inches. The rod is made of natural solid wood, and the leaves are made of non-toxic plastic. It looks very natural. This eucalyptus wall hanging is purely handmade. Each item is unique, with slight variations in shape and size. The vines, wood slices, beads, and tassels are all hand-tied. It comes ready to hang, with no assembly required. You might need to gently adjust it after taking it out of the box. It's suitable for various spaces like bathrooms, living rooms, and bedrooms. The colors are muted and neutral, making it easy to match with most decor styles. It's a thoughtful gift for a new home. This is a great gift for anyone. What we like. This artificial eucalyptus wall decor features a unique boho design with wood beads and fringe, creating a natural and earthy vibe. It's purely handmade, ensuring each piece is unique and comes ready to hang. If you like a touch of natural beauty and a bohemian style in your home, it's perfect for you. What people say. This is high quality and absolutely gorgeous. I got it from my son's nursery, which is botanical themed. It goes great with the rest of the decor and I've gotten many compliments on it. The size is perfect for what it is. Very well made and high quality. Looks great in my daughter's little woodland-themed book nook. A little heavier than some others but can still hang off a nail or picture hook. Looks like what we expected. Provided close-up pictures if you're interested. Plus looks as described, plus nice design, plus happy with quality. Number 1. Wall Pops DWPK 2466 Watercolor Dots Wall Art Kit. Introducing the Wall Pops Watercolor Dots Wall Art Kit. This kit is perfect for adding a touch of color and fun to any room. It's easy to use and will brighten up your space. These wall art pieces are peel and stick, making them incredibly easy to apply. Simply peel them off the backing and stick them to your wall. It's that simple. Need to adjust the placement? No problem. This product is repositionable, allowing you to move them around until you get the perfect look. It's designed for flexibility. Worried about damaging your walls? Don't be. This product is safe for walls, always removable, and leaves no sticky residue. It's a worry-free decorating solution. This product sticks to most smooth, flat surfaces. Whether it's walls, doors, or furniture, it's a versatile choice for your decorating needs. It offers great adaptability. The kit comes on 4 sheets, each measuring 17.25 inches by 9.75 inches. It contains a total of 59 pieces, giving you plenty of options for creating your own unique design. It's a comprehensive kit. What we like. These watercolor dots are peel and stick, making them easy to apply and reposition. They're also safe for walls, leaving no sticky residue. If you are looking for a simple way to add a pop of color and personality to any room, it's a great choice. What people say. Got these for a playroom accent wall. They look great and super easy to apply. Super easy to apply. I like how they're easy to remove. I had to reapply a few to put them in the right spot. They easily are removed and can be reused. They are cute and fun. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.